Hello, my name is Jack Staden. My sister Daniela and I are students at American Heritage School in Delray Beach, and we are representing the 22nd Congressional District of the state of Florida in the 2023 Congressional App Challenge. For our submission, we created ARKit. ARKit is an app that provides useful and relevant architectural information about architecturally interesting buildings or sites throughout the state of Florida. Architecture is all around us, and it influences us as we go about our daily lives. Although Florida is recognized more for its beaches and sunny weather, Florida's architecture is diverse and substantial, and it will continue to flourish as our state continues to grow. As an indisputable source of history and art, architecture attracts tourists to destinations around the world. ARKit's target audience is anyone who lives or visits Florida, or anyone who is interested in architecture.
Now for the code. I'm Daniela Staten. To develop the ARKit app, we used a combination of JavaScript and HTML. We used the Visual Studio Code or VS Code editor. We first created our own database to include 58 architecturally important buildings or sites in Florida and included the name, location, architectural style, building date, architects, photos, and a link to each Wikipedia page or website. We imported this to a code file. We also did this for each city. We used the edit map function from the Google Maps library to import a map on the screen. The generate markers function takes in the list of buildings as an array, and it iterates through the buildings list and creates push pins for the latitude and longitude coordinates, and generates the window which shows the building title and image when the user clicks on the push pin. The remove markers portion is responsible for closing the last open window and bringing up a new window when a new push pin is clicked by the user. The display buildings function handles the building list on the left side. It filters through the list of buildings to show the buildings in the selected city from the drop-down menu. Finally, HTML was used to structure the web app and change things like text font and color, add the images, etc.
Let us take you through the user's experience on ARKit. On the app page, the user sees our title, our logo, the state of Florida on an interactive map on the right-hand side with push pins for each building, and a numbered list with the title and address of each architecture site in Florida on the left. When the user clicks on one of the push pins on the map, our app brings up a window with the title of the building and a picture. The title of each building is linked to its designated Wikipedia page, so when the user clicks on the title, they are able to learn all about the building's details. The user is able to filter the architecture sites list by selecting a desired city from the drop-down. This causes the list to not only show the buildings in that specific city, as well as the map zooms in only to show the push pins in the city.
We hope to expand ARKit to all states and to the world. ARKit will be the go-to app to learn about architecture and get excited about the buildings that influence our lives. Thanks for listening.